guys, Hannah here from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Polo 110R line finished in the modern smoky grey metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a 1 litre TSI petrol engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting a sporty first car. Equipped with features such as the electric folding wing mirrors for added protection when parked up, LED daytime headlights, sat on 15-inch alloy wheels. As we enter the boot space, you can see this is a large area of 333 litres, perfect for those who only need to fit their necessities in the boot. Moving into the rear seats with a cloth trim finish for a more comfortable and relaxing feeling, with an eye-catching patternwork down the middle, followed by 2 charging sockets below. Moving into the front with the multi-functioning steering wheel with central touch display and comfortable cloth trim finish seats, followed by the crisscross pattern work and the R below the headrest for a sporty but luxurious look. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open roads. Moving onto the central infotainment system, there's a large variety of different radio stations that you can choose from on your journeys. You can also access the navigation system to make driving and following directions a lot easier. And your app Connect is there so you can connect your phone to the car. The parking sensors are very handy to be there when you're in tight and small spaces and you need to manoeuvre. The manual climate controls, which are accessible below the screen, where you can also turn on your heated seats for that warm comfort. Followed by the central console with 2 charging sockets and a space for your keys or phone, 2 cup holders and a central console armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online.